All right, you've probably seen tofu before. It's used in a lot of vegan and Asian cooking. Some people are really into it and some people are kind of over it, or they're looking for a fresh new ingredient to be the centerpiece of their dishes. Well, we can all thank the Burmese for creating this easy, soy-free alternative. This dish comes from the Shan region of Myanmar, which is in the northeast section of the country. And Shan is a central part of Burmese cuisine and cooking. And we actually got to take a cooking class and learn from a traditional Shan chef. She taught us how to make this chickpea tofu, and now that we're back in the US, we were pleasantly surprised to find all of the ingredients needed to make it in our regular grocery stores. Two of the main ones which we were the most concerned about finding were chickpea flour and turmeric. Again, these were easily found in all the grocery stores that we went to here in Denver. Besides that, the other ingredients you should already have in your pantry, it's water, salt, garlic powder, which we're adding in extra, and corn flour. As you can see in the pan, once the chickpea mixture started getting thick, but it wasn't too hard to stir anymore, about 10 to 15 minutes into it heating up on medium heat, then we poured it into this dish to set, and that'll take about a few more hours and we'll be ready to serve it. It's yellow from the turmeric that we put in. You can put as little or as more turmeric as you like. We put a little bit more than we did in our cooking class because we like the more yellow color, but you can do what you want. So this should be ready soon.